Come on, little rooster. I'll call you no faggot. Come on.
I'll give you a whole beer.
Yeah, do it over here.
Come on. Stretch for him, baby. Move around.
He's a firecracker. Come on, big boy. Come on. Oh, stretch him leg. Stretch him leg.
Oh, pucker that butt up there.
No, don't shit yet. Move. I do? Is that where it is? No, you want everything. I really wanted to shit on Trisha's number. I don't want your number in. Shit on Trisha's number. Shit on that number. Shit on my number. Come on.
Who's got 9? We all got 9? He's hanging out by 9 an awful lot. Keep walking. He's even pointing his ass at 9 when he ain't on. Come on over here. Come on, baby, drop it down.
I've never seen such thing. I've never played chicken bingo for a play. I'm full of
It's a
I'll write it down.
You gotta learn to call them in.
No, what I was telling them is, it just amazed me that the people stand around like that chicken. What's the clothes?
Come on, baby, get her down.
No hat action.
Get her down.
No hat action.